We're up at the first section here, and there's a bit too much light happening, direct sunlight happening onto the scene. There's no clouds in the sky, which is not what I was hoping for. Yeah, lovely blue skies. Yay. Hey, but in the meantime, I discovered something. I've got this little walking sticks to help me get along, or hiking sticks, poles, whatever you want to call them. But I didn't realise at the time when I bought it, but on the top of them, you can pop the top off, and there's a threaded bit there, and you can mount your GoPro or your cell phone, or which I'm using at the moment. This is the Ultra 21. I'm using the director mode, so TV talking. But handy little thing, and you can do I just thought I'd share that. I thought it's quite a cool little idea. I'll give a link to what brand they are and go from there. So we're back at one of my favourite spots I had before, but unfortunately there's not much water flow happening. Very quiet. I'll put a photo up next to this to show you kind of what I was expecting. When I saw it from the river flow from the bridge, I kind of suspected that it wouldn't be happening here today. Yeah, just not enough water flow. Alright. I'll have to change my tactics as to what I was planning on doing today, but there's no way around this apart from I think I had to climb up the middle waterfall to get up to the top there. It doesn't seem like very big now, but probably about 6 or 7 feet. Get up there, but it's why I got waders on, because yeah, last time I came up here I had waders and it was good. I didn't have to worry about the freezing cold water all day. Thanks for joining me on this trip. Sorry it didn't turn out how I was planning it, but the lack of water and the amount of effort it takes to get up to those waterfalls, I just didn't think it was worth it. So we'll save it for another trip. So if you like this, please subscribe and we'll get on some more adventures together.